Hi, I'm Wilf. Now, we are 4 months into a pandemic known as the coronavirus. Now, some of you are wondering, what is the difference between a virus and a bacteria? So today we're going to be doing an activity that includes colouring pens, paintbrush, cup of water, water paints, and a sheet of paper, and don't forget the straw. So, one big difference between bacteria and viruses is that bacteria are very, very big. So I'm going to get some blue, and I'm going to draw very big, and then I'm going to... So here we sort of have a bacteria, and viruses are very small. But another thing about bacteria is that they are single-celled organisms. So I'm going to get maybe yellow. Not much yellow anymore. But then we will put that in the middle and just a bit. And that is going to be our bacteria's nucleus. So now I'm going to draw a small virus. Now I can't actually paint this to scale because the end of this paintbrush would be way too big. They're I think at the very maximum they can be 200 times smaller. So I'm gonna get gonna give it a tiny wee dot. So there is our virus. So they're a lot smaller. And bacteria are alive. Viruses aren't really alive. Bacteria are alive because they have life processes going on inside them that makes them different. So now I'm going to paint some more bacteria and more viruses. So here's some I painted yesterday, so they've dried. Now bacteria are single-celled organisms because they have biotic processes inside them that keep them alive. Viruses aren't alive. Not really. They're on the border of being alive. So bacteria usually have nucleuses. So I'm going to draw in the nucleus, which have DNA in them. But viruses, they just have a whole of proteins and proteins and RNA. That's basically all they're made of. And bacteria, they have, and I have a different color, they have a cell wall. Both of them. But viruses don't have they don't have a cell wall. They just have a layer of fat, basically. And that's why washing your hands is so important, because soap destroys the fat. The thing about bacteria is that they can duplicate themselves. I will. So bacteria can reproduce when they want to. They don't need any help. But viruses have to work for it. They have to find a host cell, so it keeps on replicating the virus DNA, creating more viruses until it explodes, basically, and releases lots of new viruses to start it again. We said that bacteria are alive and viruses aren't really alive. That's because bacteria have biotic processes going on inside them, and they have organelles and stuff, I'm gonna do it in a different colour so we don't get mixed up, like ribosomes, and plasmids. So all these organelles are floating around in cytoplasm, which is basically just like a gooey thing. Now, the way to remember that antibiotics only work on bacteria and antiviral drugs only work on viruses. Biotic, remember the biotic processes? They basically just destroy bacteria because antibiotics, the biotic processes in bacteria, sorry. So I hope you guys learned something today with me, and remember, all you need to do this activity is paint and a straw and some colouring pens. See you guys next time. Bye!